There's a kind of tired that sleep doesn't fix. You wake up, nothing catastrophic happened. Your life, on paper, is fine. But something feels heavy, like you're carrying something you can't quite name. And the worst part? You can't explain it to anyone, because nothing is actually wrong. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. We have a word for this: overwhelm, but we use it wrong. Most people think overwhelm means having too much to do, too many tasks, too many responsibilities. And sometimes that's true. But there's another kind of overwhelm, a quieter kind. It doesn't come from your to-do list. It comes from something underneath it. Psychologists call it cognitive overload, but I prefer a simpler description. It's what happens when your mind is holding too many open loops. Think of it like browser tabs. You can have 30 tabs open and your computer still works. Slowly, inefficiently, but it works. That's your brain right now. It's not broken, it's not lazy, it's just full. And here's what makes it worse. We live in a world that tells us the solution is to do more, plan better, wake up earlier, be more disciplined, but you can't close 30 tabs by opening a new one. Here's what I've come to understand. Overwhelm isn't a productivity problem. It's a clarity problem. You don't need a better schedule. You need to know what's actually taking up space in your head. There's a difference between being busy and feeling overwhelmed. Busy is external. It's tasks and deadlines and meetings. Overwhelmed is internal. It's the weight of unfinished thoughts, unresolved decisions, things you've been meaning to deal with but haven't. That's why you can have a perfectly clear calendar and still feel like you can't breathe. The calendar doesn't see what's happening inside, and that's the piece most productivity advice completely misses. It optimizes your external world, while your internal world stays cluttered. Now, if you find it hard to do this alone, which most people do because our minds resist looking at themselves, this is where AI becomes genuinely useful. Not for scheduling, not for automating your life, but for thinking alongside you. I've been using ChatGPT as a thinking partner when my own mind feels too full to sort itself out. I give it everything that's on my mind without filtering, without organizing, and I ask it to help me see what's actually there. It's not therapy. It's not magic. It's just an external mirror for an internal mess. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. If you want to try this yourself, I made a free 3-day guide that walks you through exactly how I do it. 3 days, one small action per day, no apps beyond ChatGPT. The link is in the description. It's called the 3-Day Lucent Reset. Here's what I want you to take from this. You are not broken. You are not lazy. You are not failing at life. You are a person with a full mind, living in a world that never taught you how to empty it. That's not a character flaw. That's just an unlearned skill, and skills can be learned. This channel exists for exactly that. One idea, one system, every week. Quiet, practical, without pressure. If that sounds like what you need right now, subscribe and download the guide below. I'll see you next week.